1:15 p.m. At 12:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Louisville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The storm capable of producing the tornado will be near Woodbourne, Woodridge, and 6 miles south of Neversink by 12:50 p.m., 6 miles south of Grahamsville by 1 p.m. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-888-603-1402 or by email at bgm.stormreport@noaa.gov. If you are in the path of this tornado, seek shelter in a basement or an interior room, away from windows. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. for the following county: Sullivan, New York,